थैंक यू पूजी। स्टूडेंट्स, फ्लूइड डायनामिक्स में हम क्वेश्चंस की बात करें तो ज़्यादातर क्वेश्चंस कंटिन्यूटी इक्वेशन या बर्नौलीज इक्वेशंस पे बेस्ड होते हैं। वैरायटी ऑफ केसेस आई एम गोइंग टू टेक अप ओवर हियर, और आप अपने एओपी नोटबुक के अंदर सारे केसेस को दिमाग में फिट कर लीजिए, बिकॉज दीज आर गोइंग टू बी रिलेटेड विद वैरायटी ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। दीज क्वेश्चंस आर ऑलरेडी बीन आस्क्ड अर्लियर। इट सेज द केस ऑफ फ्लो रेट फ्रॉम होल्स विल बी टॉकिंग अपॉन। इट सेज a square hole of side length L is made at a depth h and a circular hole of radius r is made at a depth 4h from the surface of water in a water tank। एक h डेप्थ पे और एक 4h डेप्थ पे दो होल बनाए हैं, और एक स्क्वायर होल है और एक सर्कुलर होल है। Now it says if L is very very less compared to h and r is also very very less compared to h, then the rate of water flow from holes is same। तो radius of this hole we need to calculate। So you can directly state in solution the efflux velocity of water from holes, अगर यहाँ पे हम देखते हैं तो V1 with which it is coming out is equals to root 2gh and V2 will be equals to root 2g times 4h. So this comes out to be twice of root 2gh. So these are the velocities with which the fluid is coming out of these holes। और क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है rate of flow of water is same। So water flow rate अगर हम देखेंगे तो water flow rate from any hole we can write as AV। So in this situation we use A1 V1 is equals to A2 V2। So area of a hole A is L square multiplied by V1 is root 2GH, A2 is pi R square multiplied by root 2GH into 2, this gets cancelled out and we are getting the value of R is equals to L upon root of 2 pi। So that's the result of this problem, value of R we need to calculate। Thank you, Poji। Students, here again there is a question which is based on Bernoulli's theorem and continuity equation। It says case of water flowing in a tube of different cross section, and the situation is saying water is flowing through a horizontal tube having cross sectional area of two ends being A and A dash, such that the ratio of A by A dash is 5। So situation is like this, where we are having a tube जिसका क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया एक तरफ A है और एक तरफ A dash है या A prime you can write, and value of A by A prime is given to us as 5। It says the pressure difference of water between the two ends, if here pressure is P1, here it is P2। तो obviously यहाँ एरिया कम है तो फ्लो वेलोसिटी ज़्यादा होगी, pressure will be less। So it is given P1 minus P2 is equals to 3 into 10 to power 5 Newton per meter square। It says the velocity of water with which it enters the tube will be, यहाँ पे velocity say it is V1। So V1 we need to calculate, here it comes out with the speed V2। So अगर अपन V1 और V2 को relate करते हैं, we can write A V1 is equals to A dash V2। So here we are getting A by A dash is 5, so this 5 V1 is equals to V2। So in this situation we can use Bernoulli's theorem as P1 plus half rho V1 square is equals to P2 plus half rho V2 square। क्योंकि दोनों जो क्रॉस सेक्शन है they are considered to be at same level। क्वेश्चन में हाइट के बारे में कुछ नहीं दिया हुआ, even it is given that neglect gravity effects, that means they are at the same level। So in this situation we can write P1 minus P2 is equals to half rho, here it is V2 square minus V1 square, this is what we are using। Now in this situation अगर वैल्यू सब्सटीट्यूट करें, this 3 into 10 to power 5 is equals to half rho of water is 10 to power 3 and V2 you can write as 5 V1, so this 25 minus 1 is 24 V1 square। So this is what we are getting। So value of V1 we can check, this will be getting is this 10 to power 2, so this 300 into 2 600 divided by 24 under root। So this comes out to be root of this will be 100 by 4 is 25, it comes out to be 5 meters per second। That's the result of this problem। So ज़्यादातर क्वेश्चंस जो आपके सामने आएंगे उन क्वेश्चंस में आपको बर्नौलीज थ्योरम यूज करना है एंड कंटिन्यूटी इक्वेशन फॉर द टू एंड्स थ्रू व्हिच द लिक्विड इज फ्लोइंग, दैट्स व्हाट यू नीड टू मेक यूज एंड अकॉर्डिंगली यू कैन प्रोसीड। Thank you, Poji। Here we'll be talking upon case of lift on an airplane. Here it says air of density 1.2 kilogram per meter cube is blowing across the horizontal wings of an airplane in such a way that its speed above and below the wings are 150 meter per second and 100 meter per second respectively. We need to check the pressure difference between upper and lower sides of the wings. So here you can directly analyze if this wing of an airplane. So in this situation, say plane is moving in this direction with some speed v. So इट सेज इसके ऊपर और नीचे अगर दो पॉइंट्स ए और बी लिए जाते हैं तो वेलोसिटी ऑफ विंड एट पॉइंट ए above is 150 meters per second, velocity of wind at point B is 100 meters per second. Now it is asking the pressure difference between upper and lower sides of the wing. अगर हम चेक करें तो यहाँ पे आप डायरेक्टली देख सकते हैं using Bernoulli's theorem. Here we have in this case pressure at A plus half rho VA square is equals to pressure at B plus half rho VB square. Now using this relation, यहाँ पे P obviously A का स्पीड ज़्यादा है तो A का प्रेशर कम होगा. We need to calculate PB minus PA because नीचे का प्रेशर ज़्यादा होने से ही प्लेन पे अपवर्ड लिफ्ट लगता है. So this will be half of rho VB square minus VA square. So numerically just we need to calculate the value. अब डायरेक्टली देखिए प्रेशर डिफरेंस वी आर गेटिंग एज हाफ इनटू 1.2 इनटू this VB square is 150 square minus 100 square. That's it. You don't need to make use of anything. Simple calculation. And this 0.6 into this 10 to power 4 into 2.25 minus 1. So it is 0.6 into 1.25 into 10 to power 4. This is what you need to calculate. So this is 6 multiplied by 1.25 is 7.5 into 10 to power 3 Pascal. So that's PB minus PA. That's what we need to calculate. That's the result of this problem. Thank you, Poji. Student, in this case, we'll be talking upon case of emptying a vessel. There's a very common case और कई बार इस तरह के questions अलग-अलग level पे पूछे गए हैं. Which says a cylindrical vessel of cross section A contains water to a height h and it says there is a hole in the bottom of radius A and it is asking the time in which vessel will be emptied. So here in this analysis here we can say there is a vessel which is having cross sectional area given to us as A and it is filled up to a height h. यहाँ पे water filled up to a height h. Now in the situation bottom पे there is a hole जहाँ से liquid बाहर निकलेगा. इसका area हमें given है small a. So here if it comes out with the speed v, the water level will continuously going down और मान लेते हैं कि अभी x distance तक ये water level आ चुका है. So the level would be going down with the speed v1 and here it comes out with the speed v. So using equation of continuity, here we can say यहाँ क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया ए है तो दिस AV1 should be equals to यहाँ से जो लिक्विड बाहर आएगा दिस इज स्मॉल AV और V कैन डायरेक्टली भी रिटर्न एज √2gx क्योंकि अगर x हाइट से लिक्विड गिर रहा होता है किसी भी कंटेनर में तो बॉटम पे जो इफ्लक्स वेलोसिटी होती है वो होती है √2gx. तो हियर वी कैन राइट a मल्टीप्लाइड बाय V1 you can write as minus dx by dt because here x is decreasing. This should be equals to small a into √2gx. So rearranging terms it gives minus of dx by √x is equals to small a by capital A times √2g times dt. Here we can integrate this relation time from 0 to t x from h to 0 because हमको खाली करना है तो initial height h से 0 तक आएगा when time goes from 0 to t. So this gives 2√h is equals to a by a times √2g times t. So here solving this gives us the value of time in which it will get emptied is equals to a by 2a multiplied by root of 2g by h. That's the result of this problem. So आप इस relation को भी ध्यान में रखें कि h height के कंटेनर तक h height तक अगर वाटर फिल्ड है कंटेनर में तो उसको एम्प्टी होने का टाइम इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू 1 by √h.